In today's free online video editing tutorial, I will show you the best iPhone app or application for enhancing audio quality while recording. Step number one is to drag the audio clip that you want to use on the timeline like so.
This is the test for the iPhone app video.
Now, in order to get the best piece of this audio that you want, go underneath to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or your search engine browser device and search up Voice Record Pro. Once downloaded, click underneath the app and then go underneath the recording settings. You have different options or multiple, as you can see. These are the three options which will dictate the file size is larger or smaller. In this case, I'm going to go with this option right here. And now you want to record the audio track. A bonus is to transfer this onto your computer or PC without any cords. As you can see, we're going to use the Wi-Fi transfer. Click on this icon. Type in the numbers that you see here on the screen in your browser device. Locate the video file and then click over here, download. Once you have your audio file, go underneath to effects and then type bass, type treble, and type hard limiter. And now once all of these three has been opened up and loaded, these are presets, drag them onto the timeline. Go back to effects control, make the bass 5, treble 10. Underneath hard limiter, click on edit and move the first slider until it says -5.
This is the test for the iPhone app.